Hey, Orca and Nancy here with So Original. Another episode of What's on My Cutting Table. But first, and most importantly, do you like my haircut? I chopped it off. I think it's fabulous. And it's I just looked too old with long gray hair. The gray's bugging me now, so I'm probably going to color it. But anyway, enough of that. And you didn't need to get so close because then my wrinkles showed. Thanks a lot. Okay, what's on my cutting table? This I got at a thrift store, and it's really pretty hokey, but you know how many people love Christmas hokey clothes. These were really big in the 90s, these pre-printed garments. I'm going to turn this into, it's going to be freaking awesome because I'm going to funk it out and make it cool. So that's one thing I need to do by Christmas. We're working on the placemats. Why are you smiling? Do I look stupid, cameraman? Okay. We're working on placemats, sets, and napkins and table runners and aprons for Christmas. Those are going to be for sale very shortly. I found this cute polar bear stuff, and we have polar bear themed placemats. That's one of our designs. This is batting for the placemats. So we've got, that's what all this is. How cute is this gnome fabric from Joann's? All this stuff is for Christmas holiday gifts. These are Christmas bags. I watched a YouTube video that was awesome about how to make really easy drawstring bags. So we've got about 1 million of these, and then I got really cute ribbon and bells, and so those are going to be cute and for sale. These I got at, we have this awesome grocery store in Reno called Grocery Outlet. We call it Gross Out. And a lot of times you can get really cheap stuff. Well, these are those microfiber cloths. I think for $3 I got a pack of 5 or something. Well, guess what I'm going to make with them? I'm going to make the pads for the Swiffer mops, because those disposable ones are stupid and they're bad for the environment. So there is one company that sells them, so I had somebody bring me one and I copied the pattern. But if you just chop these babies in half, they stick onto the bottom of the Swiffer beautifully. Sorry, I didn't even chop this one in half because this morning I was in a hurry. How fabulous is that? These are the best cleaning dudes ever. So if you have a Swiffer, get these microfiber cloths, and I am going to make some, because the only problem is the Velcro kind of shreds the thing. But anyway, that's what these are for. I'm going to make some of these. This adorable basket a very sweet person made for me, and it has my lotion in it, which I'm going to put on right now. This is heavy duty stuff, but if you're like me and you sew, your hands are parched, especially living in frickin' dry as Butthead, Nevada. So I like to use that. Felt. This is my felt box. I love felt flowers and felt things and anything made out of felt. So I've bought some really high quality felt in the past, the 100% wool felt. Don't use the crap at the craft stores. I'm gonna make some really pretty napkin rings for Christmas. Oh, I should have brought my napkin rings I made for Thanksgiving. I made really cute Thanksgiving napkin rings. So that's my felt box, because I'm going to be doing something with that. Oh, I'm wearing the shirt I upcycled. So, you know, it was that really cute shirt that was boring. So I finally finished that. This is aprons. This is one of those old, like I just said, in the 80s and 90s. These were really popular, the pre-printed things. And this one is just so freaking cute, and I forgot I had them. I think I bought about 10 of them when I worked at a fabric store when I was like 12 years old, and I just found them, and I had a bunch left, about 3 left. So I'm making these. This is the pattern I'm using for my holiday aprons as well. I found some fabulous Nevada fabric. How cool is that? And I'm pretty sure they have it for every state. This just came from Joann's, Lake Tahoe, Nevada, Bighorn Sheep. So I'm going to make apron and placemat sets out of that. That's what all of this is. This is just amazing, and let me tell you how fabulous this is. I got this at the thrift store. It said I Magnin on it, I think. Neiman Marcus. Old as shit. It is the perfect size for large water bottles, and you can hold 2. And I bring a lot of water to my shop every day because I'm weird about my water and I drink a shitload. So you can put this, or you can put your coffee mug or whatever, and it's really sturdy. So I'm going to make some of these out of leather. So if you're interested in the dimensions or whatever, I'll come up with a pattern. I'll let you know about that. Client, actual work that I'm getting paid for. Client brought in her favorite shirt, the only shirt that really fits her well. And so I'm going to copy this shirt and make her a bunch of shirts. But also she brought in some t-shirts. T-shirts are gross. We all know that. We love them, but the neckline is disgusting. So I'm chopping off the neckline on these. I'm hemming the sleeves, and I'm going to take them in to fit her. It's a really simple alteration, so if you love t-shirts but hate the way they fit, you can do that. This is, I chopped off, I hemmed a pair of pants for a guy. After I chopped it off, I thought, well, that was really dumb, because you can do original hems. I'm sure most of you know how. If not, I can do a video on that. But there's a million out there. And you just cut off the bottom of the jeans hem and you re-sew it back on up higher, basically. And I thought, well, this would have been a great opportunity, because then he could have kept those snaps. But he didn't want that, and I didn't do it. But I'm going to save this, because to me, this is a very cool thing that will come in very handy one day. So that's that. An atomizer. This is the greatest spray bottle. It's from doTERRA, but I think other people make them. And it really does just mist. It's a really fine mist. It's good for ironing or plants or whatever. That's just my little box of tools that I always need when I'm at my cutting table. This is the world's coolest eraser. I don't know why I have it in here, but I do because I love it. This is a good tailor's chalk. I use this constantly. This stuff is not the greatest. It's cheap, but you can't get rid of the line without washing it. So it's not really the greatest stuff, and it breaks easy, but if you need something cheap and use it a lot, this was a pretty good one. These are awesome. I found these at Whole Foods, and I'm going to copy them. I find cute shit and then I buy it. It's an excuse to buy it, because they say, oh yeah, I'm going to copy that. And then half the times I don't, but whatever. These were 16 bucks. Cutest pot holders in the world. Not really? I mean, yeah? Don't you just think they're freaking adorable? I love them. And how much denim do I have lying around? Denim is so bad for the environment. The processing of jeans is one of the biggest contributors to climate change. They're awful for the environment. So I am collecting jeans, old jeans. I tell people to bring me their old jeans, and I'm going to do a whole line of shit out of denim. And this is what I'm going to start with, because I think these are the cutest things in the world. There's that. Patches, cute patches that I just haven't gotten around to sewing on something. This is going to be for my dad, because when I was a little girl, he dressed up like Smokey the Bear when I was a Girl Scout, because he was the only man tall enough to fit in the costume. So that's going to go on something for him. And Death Valley is my favorite place in the world, even though I got bit by a rattlesnake there. So I have that. I'm going to put that on something. And then I have a lit candle, which, you know, I like to live on the edge, and I'm hoping I can just burn the whole place down, which is why I have a lit candle on a cutting table with fabric and paper lanterns. I thought that was clever. And then I may have already shown you this, I don't know. Thrift store purchase. I think I did. Did I show them this? Do you remember? Oh, I did. Yeah, I think we did. Anyway, I haven't done this yet. That's going to be a cute project. This was a stupid thing I got at that grocery store I was telling you about. I think this was $2, but how awesome will that be? I'm actually going to package the placemats and the napkins and maybe a table runner or an apron together, and I'm going to wrap them all up so that you can see it and put cute stuff on it, so it'll be adorable and a great package. And then I guess we have to say hi to Mr. Monkey. So yeah, that's it, I guess. Signing off for now. I will do another one. Oh, I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. I did. I sewed all night, Thanksgiving night, until 10:30, working on a wedding dress, but it turned out adorable, and I'll show you pictures soon. So signing off. See you guys soon. Bye.